Hey guys, just a reminder, this is old footage. I have hair. I'm all done with chemo and everything else. This video is just footage that I got from then that I never posted, but thank you guys for the support during all that. Thank you guys for the continued support. Be sure to like the video, comment down below, tell me what you think of it. I missed you guys, and enjoy the video. What's up guys? So another day trying to get this 350Z ready for the track. So we've already started to get some stuff out of the way. Today we are replacing the Diff bushings, and I can't stress this enough, this is not a how-to. This is a video to let you guys laugh at me while I try to figure out how to get this out. So I'm gonna continue getting this stuff out of the way, and then we'll get to getting the Diff out, getting the bushings in, and really getting this rolling.
God, I like that pressure wash this area here because I hate this. I hate that.
Yeah.
That's not a good idea.
What? Why not?
Got this little bad boy here too. This works pretty slick. So that gets you in there and you don't have to worry about it. Problem being?
Not enough oomph.
So 3/8 guy doesn't have enough ash. Let's see if we can find that.
All right, so axles are off, onto the drive shaft, and then time to actually get this thing out of here. Drive shaft is free, and on to the good stuff. I hope. Like I said, I don't actually know what I'm doing here, but it seems simple, right? Just a couple bolts, pull this out, get these out, and put the new ones in, right? How hard could it be? That was the hard one. That was the hard job. It should be fun from now on, because working on cars is fun. All right, so these bushings are in. These bushings are in. Well, we got this one out, which when I said how hard could it be, none of you warned me how hard it could be, because it was hard. It was very hard. But this one is out, and we are currently squeezing the new one in, and I'm gonna go to head cam and we're gonna tap it in.
Tap, tap, tap-a-roo.
Okay.
Okay, I don't like that stuff.
It's nice and snug, that's for sure.
I don't like that. This is working, but it's not. And this is not going to work. Wait a second, I can get this way. I don't want you to hit it.
No hitting? Oh, it's going. It's going good. Whoa! Probably could. In retrospect, probably could have greased it up a bit more.
Yeah, lube. Always lube it. Goal is to get this without losing no teeth.
So far, so good.
Yeah, you're right. Sit the washer. This one here will be fine.
Oh, jeez.
I need a little more. What about on this side over here? And nope, I want more.
Money.
What do you think, Fish? Think we got her?
Looks good to me.
Sexy stuff right there.
I'll take it. All right. So I learned something today. When someone asks you to help them change their differential bushings, no. That's what I learned today.
There's glares everywhere but where I'm working. Yeah, this was one of the not so fun parts of this too.
All right, we got it all back together. Torque to spec. Gonna get the exhaust on, and I think that is it for this job. And then I hate to say this, but should be all good from there. That was the hard one. That was the hard job. It should be fun from now on, because working on cars is fun. No matter what they tell you, it's fun.
You gotta keep this straight. That's it.
Okay. And then what was the back? Okay. Now I can start putting axles on and everything else.
I'll get this shit cleaned up so I can do my thing now.
Okay. All right, I'm going to get the axles back on, the drive shaft back on, and then I will check back in, and that should be all of it.
Bring me back their position.